Hello friends, welcome back to Bitcoin World Crypto channel. Today I'm going to share with you another new project. Its name is Cerbri. Cerbri building a human-centered intelligence layer designed to connect the pieces instead of keeping everything in separate apps. Cerbri presents itself as a human-centered AI ecosystem spanning healthcare, enterprise, and personal growth with CRX. CRX is token ticker CRX as its utility economic layer. Cerbri is building Heal Opera. Click on Heal Opera and you can read this detail about here. Very care data and AI decision coverage. NBH ready workflow role where workplace audit save handoffs. This is a full detail of experience help Heal Opera workplace. You can click and can visit full detail here. Cerbri is working toward a lifelong AI companion called Cogni, designed around continuity across areas like health, learning, career, and personal growth. CRX, its token ticker, it can be used for platform access fee, settlements, governance, and staking, while the ecosystem also describes buyback and burn mechanism. And this is the infographic you can check here. Cerbri understand relationship, CRM, EPR, ERP, services, HR, knowledge, relationship intelligence, and here you can check, connect, understand, and coordinate. Not three products, one decision layer of the enterprise. As you can see here, this is your work, AI career intelligence helping every employee discover opportunities, skill, and navigate their career. HRX enterprise relationship intelligence connecting customer services and workflow into one intelligence operating model. And this is Heal Opera healthcare relationship intelligence connecting patients, clients, and operations into one decision layer. Scroll down and you can check more detail about trusted by growing organizations and the CRX, its token ticker, and its utility economic layer Cerebri. And this is the detail about this token. Total supply is 1 billion, chain is base, listing price is 0.042, and this is detail about access and tiering. Holding unlock higher tiers only access and exclusive features. Fees settlement governance. And this is staking and yield detail. Dog CRX for a share of economic revenue up to 118% APR. And this is a value accrual revenue split. Buyback in 145%, staking reward 30%, and treasury buyback is 25%. And these are their social links. You can also follow them: Twitter, Telegram, LinkedIn, and these are their legal documents. You can also visit them, and quick links of media. And this is technology, Uwork, HRX, Heal Opera, and Forge. So this is the first part of the review. I hope like you this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and like this video.